Hello friends, I am Manish and I welcome you all to another video of Technical Chaharji. In today's video, we're going to see that what kind of new update we are getting in our Oneplus 6 device. Whether this update is able to solve our basic problem or not. So watch this video till the end so I can give you overall what kind of new things you are getting in this update. So this is the OnePlus 6 device and we got a new update. Over here it's also showing the OnePlus 6 Oxygen 22 update, and if you're not getting this message then you can go to settings over here, and once over to settings you can go to system, and once over to system you can go to system updates. So here it says that this update is of 143 MB, and this you're getting the update Android security patch to 2019.1, deep integration with Google Duo and general bug fixes and system improvement. Let me just quickly download and install it. I hope that my main issues of the battery optimization, one is of network, other one is of Wi-Fi connectivity, and the major problem is from the selfie camera. I hope that in this update it will get resolved. But overall I've heard that this update is not able to help me any kind of battery optimization, your network connectivity or anything else. Let me just quickly pause the video here and let me just take you when the system has already been installed into my OnePlus 6 device. So the system has been updated right now. Let me just show you over here. You can see it clearly. The system has been updated, and over here it says that system has been successfully updated. And let me just go to settings and let me show you. Once into settings, into about phone. Over here in our phone you can see the Oxygen OS version 9.0.4, and over it says the Android security patch level to 1st January 2019. So if I talk more about that what kind of new things I'm able to see, if I go to camera over here, and once into camera I'm able to see the new logo for the night mode, and I don't know whether they have done some changes in the night mode or not, but in my earlier video I've shown you that night mode doesn't work very well. It gives me a line of the moving objects and not that I'm happy about the night mode. So let me just show you that how I'm getting the Google Duo integration in this phone as well after the update. If you go to your dialer over here, and once into the dialer, let me come closer, you see the three dots over here. Once you press the three dots over here, you can now clearly able to see the Google Duo integration into your call history and into the every contact. Now instead of calling from here, you can directly call it from Google Duo. So this is a new update which I've done in the OnePlus 6 device. I certainly don't think that it is needed much by the users. So let's hope in my next video I will give you that how the battery is now performing right now, whether I'm facing any kind of a Wi-Fi issue or not, or whether I'm facing any kind of anything negative about my OnePlus 6 device or not. So after the update, this update doesn't look so much promising to me. It looks like that they're just pushing out the Android security patch and the Google Duo compulsory into our call history. So let me use it again for a couple of weeks so I can tell you that whether this update also have made significant changes in my battery optimization, whether I'm able to receive any calls indoor, or whether I'm able to use my Wi-Fi connectivity very well with this update or not. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. And I see you all in my next video.